Hey guys, Aurora here. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Today's episode, I'm gonna be doing a time lapse of my drawing. This little girl on the screen, I'm gonna be drawing her. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And let's get this video started. I love drawing ever since I was a kid, but I just didn't develop my interest on it. So anyways, first of all, I did not record when I used the roller to draw line on the paper. The line is to guide me so that I could pinpoint where I could strike my pencil. I didn't draw a dot everywhere in the area so that I could connect them later. Once I got all that going, I didn't erase all the lines. I started itching the eyes almost always. I don't know why. As they always says, eyes is the window to the soul. When I am drawing, I have to have the pencil sharpener close to me so that I could sharpen my dull pencil, especially when I would like to apply a fine lines. When I strike a straight lines, for example, if I am drawing a hair, I use the most lightest pencil for easy erasure, and then this can be an HB pencil or 2B pencil, so that if I made a mistake, it can be erased without the shadow of residue or leftover. Once I got the fine lines on the hair, I then grab a darker pencil, which is 6B. Once I got done stroking the hairlines, I then grab the blending stumps to smudge the area for a more darker defined look. I will repeat this procedure until I am happy with the result. As a noob when it comes to shading, I really do not have rules or guide to follow. I just kinda strike my pencil where it needed. Of course, I have to have a reference to look at. I really need to spend time to watch more videos or learn more about pencils. Because right now, I only know light and dark. I gotta learn the H and B's pencil. My most favorite part of the face to draw is the eyes. I have yet to really try a more realistic ones. Just like the saying goes, only by practicing repeatedly doing something can one become proficient or skillful at it. And I have a long ways to go. And since you now know what is my favorite part of the face to draw, and now you must know what is the part of the face that I hated the most. It is the nose. The flat nose, just like mine, the pointy nose, or the oink oink nose. I am having hard times constructing them. But I know, in time I will be able to figure it out, hopefully soon. And the second part that I couldn't quite know how to construct is the mouth, lips, and the dimple. Why is it so hard? Why does others they make it so easy? They just scribble on the paper, and the next thing you know, they just constructed on a paper of a real life-like eyes that is looking at you and seems to say something. I am looking at you, girl. Yeah, that is weird, but that is how I feel. At this time, as you can see, it looks like I am almost done. Yay! I got that beautiful eyes looking at me. But I have yet to add her upper lip. Right now, without her upper lip, she looks like as if she is pouting cutely. At least she does not look mad, right? Now that lips is done, I am darkening the shaded area to make it more defined or 3D look instead of a flat line. Yes, we're almost there. Now all I have to do is finishing up to make it pop. Go back to the areas where it needed some erasing, lightening, darkening, smudging, stroking, and more shading. And I will repeat the process until I am satisfied. Okay guys, what do you think of this drawing? Please let me know, leave your comments down below, and let Aurora know of your opinion. I need constructive criticism to help me out to better in drawing. Thank you for watching my drawing sessions, and I do hope you like this video, and if so, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you once again. Bye!